Right?
Yes.
Okay, today you wanted to have Simulink, right?
Yeah, like plotting is like plots and
Yeah, plot we
different
will see
equations.
with Simulink. Maybe that will be better because we will have a lot data.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So
equations and this remaining.
yeah. So can you can create a new folder, maybe Simulink there only? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Simulink underscore something maybe. Yeah. Okay. Can you go inside that folder?
Okay.
No. In Matlab. There is the folder, right? Left side.
Browse for the phone.
Yeah, there. Yeah. Right click. Right click on the space. Not here, maybe. No, not here. Left side names and all those things are there, right? Yeah. One means, yeah, in the blank space. Down. Yeah. New. Model. Give it some name.
Okay.
Any name. Okay, you cannot use hyphen, you need to use underscore.
Okay.
You double click on that file.
Yes.
As you can see on the downside, yeah, it is opened. Yeah, okay. If you click on the top, maybe library, it is having some library, right? So if you click there, you will get the Simulink library where all the blocks are there. Okay. So yeah, in here, you have different block sets. First is Simulink. Next is aerospace block set is there. Can you maximize this window? Okay. So yeah, in Simulink, we have different components like commonly used block and some other component like source, sync, continuous, discrete, logical, all those things are there. So that usually comes by default with the Simulink, and using those you can create basic models, like models which will have the basic logics. So yeah, that is related to Simulink. Next is the aerospace block set. Then audio toolboxes, automated driving toolboxes, all those things are toolboxes, not Simulink. They are designed by Mathworks, and those are designed using the basic blocks that are present in Simulink.
Okay.
Okay, next coming to AutoSAR block set. All these things are related to toolboxes. Okay, so basically we will not cover all the toolboxes, because once you know the basics, suppose if you want to create something, then using the basics only, yeah, you can create all. Okay, next is the state flow. Can you go little down? Down, almost completely down. Yeah, here you can build logics. Okay, using state flow, you can build a different controller logics, or anything that is controlling. Those are also generatable codes also possible once you are complete with the design. Okay, so suppose you have designed something graphically and some logics, then those logics could be exported in the form of codes, and those codes also can be optimized and dumped into some ECUs to execute it in real time. Usually in organizations, what they usually do, they create a plant model which mimics the behavior of actual plant. Okay, yeah. Once all the input and output are coming same, means approximately same, not exactly same, with the actual plant and the model, then based on that model behavior, you can design some controller, and you can do some trial error with the plant model. And then once everything is finalized, you can generate the code out of the controller model, which is basically receiving some input and giving some output to the plant.
Okay.
Yeah. So coming to the basic block set, can you go to top Simulink? So we will start with this one. Okay, commonly used block. So first is bus creator. It will take signals into account, and it will mix all those signals, and then it will transfer it in one line, which is visible. Two signals are going in and one is coming out, right? So suppose you want to decode that bus signal, then you can have bus selector. So those things you can, which is in the form of bus signal, you can decode that using the bus selector, and then you can use means you can see, like, from one bus signal it is giving multiple signals on the right hand side. Yeah. Coming to the next block, it is constant block, which will not change the value unless you give any change in here. Then next is the convert block, a data type convert, which will convert any data type into some other data type. Next is unit delay, and that will give some delay into means unit delay, means one sample time delay into your model. So all these things are commonly used. So if you want to get some information on any of the blocks, you can just right click on that block. Yeah, go to help. Yeah. So it will open the documentation, which will be used to study the particular block.
Okay.
Yeah. So the input block, what it does, how many it can, yeah, how it will operate, all those things are yeah, documented here. Okay, so for every block you can check what it does and how is the input and how you can configure different parameters, how you can change the properties, all those things. So yeah, so that's why I told you to go to the help, so that in case you want to study any block, then you can have a look and yeah, you can use them. And yeah, coming to any model file, okay, right click on your constant block and right click, add to, yeah, there only. Okay, now here it is added, and you can save this one, some other name. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Yeah, cannot be because it is open. So maybe you can give some other name. Underscore if you give one more. Yeah. Okay.